Here's how you can redesign your environment. I'm going to give you a couple of examples so that then you can write your own for yourself in the next part of our worksheet. So here's some examples. If you want to remember to take your medication each night, put your pill bottle directly next to the faucet on the bathroom counter. An obvious cue, right? If you want to practice guitar, I like this one. If you want to practice guitar more frequently, place your guitar stand in the middle of the living room. I love that. You're not going to miss it. It's an obvious cue. It's not tucked away in a closet somewhere, right? If you want to remember to send more thank you notes, keep a stack of stationery on your desk.